Welcome to the 40 LENOVO Yoga Tab 11, and I'll show you how to install a phone keyboard on this device. So let's first open the Play Store application, and in the search we'll enter the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app, click Enable in Settings. Near green Apple keyboard, tap on the switcher, click OK, once again OK, and go back. Then tap to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now all of the settings they are set. So let's check the keyboard, and we can see that it's so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.